It's your girl here, Janae, back with another video. A couple of months ago, I did try the Design Essentials African Chebe Growth Collection. So I told you I was gonna come right back with another one. We're gonna actually do a perm rod set, okay? Before I use their Braid and Twist Out Strengthening Cream, which is amazing, but today we're gonna go actually try out their foaming mousse. But before I do all of that, I gotta go ahead and wash my hair. Before I wash my hair, I will be applying their pre-wash intense repair mask. I don't know, it smells kind of like a cheesecake. It smells really, really good. And when I tell you, when I apply it on there, so soft and smooth. I like to apply this on before I actually do the shampoo first, so that way I can remove any type of grit that it does have after using the mask. So it is infused with natural Chebe powder, and also it instantly lifts your hair cuticle and deposits nutrients essential to strengthening your hair. It's been a while since I actually washed my hair, so that's all the hair that I did lose on that one section. So I like to detangle my hair with also having this mask on, so that way shampooing can be more easier. But so far so good. Go ahead and put a head cap on my hair for about 20 minutes or so, just so that way it can penetrate through my strands. Rinse all of the hair mask out of my hair. My hair feels so soft. Now we're about to go ahead and shampoo my hair. I'm now shampooing my hair using their Anti-Breakage Moisture Retention Shampoo. A little shampoo does go a long way because it lathers up really good. One thing I love about Design Essentials, like they love to put moisture in their shampoo, and I am so here for it, y'all. So when I wash my hair, it definitely has a great slip to it, and my hair does not feel like it's drying out. My hair is freshly washed, so I already rinsed all the shampoo out. I love how my hair, even after shampooing, it feels soft. Just the combination of the mask and the shampoo really can transform your hair. Now we're about to go ahead and get into the styling, okay? We're gonna go ahead and apply their Anti-Breakage Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner first. This is the last step before I actually style my hair. So I'm applying their leave-in conditioner, which have over 20 essential oils in it, and it does help restore your hair and scalp health as well, while also detangling and reducing comb damage. What we're about to go ahead and do is style my hair. Like I said before, I'm going to be doing a perm rod set. So I have not done a perm rod set in a minute, so I'm actually excited to go ahead and do that because I love a good old perm rod set, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and section off this right here and apply their strengthening and curl perfecting mousse. How many pumps you see me do there is how many I really applied on each of my sections that I did create. So I'm just using the orange perm rods, and I'm just doing the regular schmegler, just wrapping my hair around. Now I am pulling it tight around the rod so that way I don't have or show my natural curl pattern. Their mousse is lightweight, and it also has a light hold without having a crunch, and it helps define your curl while adding moisture in your hair as well, which is amazing. So I am, as you see, just repeating the process here. I am also using my Denman brush so I can smooth my hair, and it can make it easy for me to apply it on my rods. Day 2, y'all, so let's see what it do. I already put my makeup on and everything. I sit under the hooded dryer for about 1 hour, and for the rest of the day just air dry. And I did sleep in these, so I did have a little bit of a tough time, but that's okay because beauty is pain. I already went ahead and I took this one down. So far it looks so cute, and there's like no frizz. So I am feeling it just to make sure that it's 100% dry, because I do know that sometimes we may think our hair is dry even after 2 days, and it had that little bit of damp, and that one little damp can mess it all up for you. I am so excited of the results, y'all. Like, look at the shine and the definition, y'all. I was so ready to rock this. I'm gonna go ahead and just start separating, starting from the back. Now I'm just separating my curls where I also rolled the rod on. So as you see here, I'm just separating, pulling it down, and just really just repeating the same process until it's all done. And this is how it's looking. So I will go ahead and pick my hair out and shape it how I want it. I like a day 2, day 3, day 4 type hair. So I went on ahead and I just really was picking it out and just trying to get the desired shape that I was looking for. I am so in love with my hair, y'all, and I love this whole collection. Every product that you see in here is infused with Chebe, and also Design Essentials is supporting the Chadian women and other African villagers by donating proceeds from every bottle sold directly back to their community. The African Chebe Growth Collection is available at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, HEB, and DesignEssentials.com. Check the description box for more. Love you. Bye.